Hello children. Lesson number 5, operation on rational numbers. Under this lesson we seen the how to convert the addition of the rational numbers. We seen division, subtraction, multiplication. Okay. How to compare this rational numbers. After that we also seen that how to convert the rational numbers. Then write the rational number into decimal form. That also we seen in last lecture. And today, and also some of the introductory part, how to do the that method of the Hausas and Mangru's method I told you. And for that, which rule we have to follow I told you, that is the Bodomas rule I told you. And this is a rule that we are going to see here. Rules for simplifying expression. So whenever some expressions are there, means where there are more than one signs are there. If you see here addition, multiplication, division, subtraction, these signs are there. So here whenever we have to solve such a type of expression, we have to follow some rules, and that rules for simplifying expressions we will see now. First of all, if more than one operation is to be carried out, okay, more than operation we have to be carried out, then multiplication and division are carried at first. Okay, I told you the rule is the short form, that is the one word Bodomas you have to keep in your mind, means division and multiplication. So here the multiplication and division are carried out first. So if you see a bracket of D for division, M for multiplication, means at first whenever we are solving the expression from left to right, if first division comes, then division solve. If multiplication comes first, then multiplication, addition, subtraction. These steps we have to, or these operations we have to do at first. So first of all, here what they told us, the multiplication on division are carried out at first. In order they are occur from left to right. Suppose we have to solve this expression. So if you see here, the first operation is division, then addition, and then multiplication. Okay, so from left to right, first division comes, so we have to solve the division at first, then multiplication we have to do, and then addition and the subtraction. This is the rule of solving the expression. After that, addition and subtraction they told you, carried out in order what they are from left to right. So first of all, when you are solving such expressions, if bracket is there, brackets rule is not given here, first bracket we have to solve. If bracket is not there, then check whether there is a division is there or multiplication is there, and then addition and then subtraction. These steps we have to follow. If there are more than one operations in the bracket, see, that is bracket they told you, follow the above two rules while carrying out expressions. On applying the above rules, we see that Hausa's method is right one. Okay, so when Hausa solved this expression, you will notice that she solved the division at first. Okay, and here the Hausa solved first division and Mangru also solved division first. But after the division, that is from left it was first, that's why both of them solved the division at first. But secondly, according to the rule, we have to solve the multiplication at first. So here she had done the multiplication. So here it is answer 4 and here it is 12. But Mangru, what he had done? 12 plus 4, 14 here he wrote. And there he had done the mistake and his example becomes wrong. Okay. So you just don't do the Mangru which type of mistake he had done. Just don't do it. Do this type of mistakes. Just follow the Bodomas rule and solve the example. You will get the out of marks. So first of all, here it is the question. Which is this question? The question is we have to solve the expression, that is 40 into 10 divided by 5 plus 17. Okay, so let's solve this example. So I will write it here, 40 into 10 divided by 5 in plus 17. Okay, so which rule I told you to solve? Bodmas rule, BODMAS. So first of all check bracket, B for bracket, O for off, D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition and S for subtraction. From left to right, your left hand, just see where is your left hand, that is your notebook, mobile's left hand is there. So which number is there at first left hand? 40 is there. Okay, and here which is the first operation from left side? That is the multiplication. So we have to do the multiplication at first. So do the multiplication of this both at first. So 40 into 10, 40 tens are 400. Remaining terms right here as it is, divided by plus 17. Again move towards the Bodmas, this rule. Okay, again from left to right, which operation is there? First we have to division is there. So division we have to solve. So 5 8s are 40 and 0. If you divide 400 by 5, you will get the answer 80. And then write the 17. And according to rule here now, there only addition is left, and addition of this is the 97. So by using Bodmas rule, we have to solve the expression step by step. This example, if in come exam, it will carry how many marks? 2 marks, and each step carries half mark in the exam. Okay, so for that you have to solve the example very carefully. It's easy, but only rule if it is wrong, then it will be problematic. Now we will solve the one more next example. 80 divided by 15 plus 8 minus 3 bracket complete and 5. So that example I will write here. So here I will write, note down, 80 divided by into bracket 15 plus 8 minus 3 plus 5. Which rule we have to follow? That is Bodmas rule. Okay, so MA. So here first of all, B for bracket is there. So first things we have to write here as it is, divided by. First what we have to solve? Bracket, because B for bracket. So 15 plus 8, how much you can do orally, no problem. 15 plus 8, how much? 23. And 23 minus 3 is equals to how much? That is 20. Correct? I solve the bracket at first. 15 plus 8 is equal to 23. 23 minus 3 is equal to 20. And here it is plus 5. Again move towards this rule. First bracket is there in this expression? No. Division is there? Yes. So division solve. 20 is stable inside. If you divide 80 with the 40, 80 with the rough work you can do. 2 1s are 2 and 2 4s are 8. So here 4 will come. So we have to write 80 divided by 20 is equal to 4 plus 5. And you know that 4 plus 5 is equals to how much? That is 9. In this way we have to solve the expression. Now after here the 9 is the answer. Now we will see solve the next example. Here it is little bit difficult, so all of you note down. 2 into curly bracket 25 into square bracket 113 minus 9 plus 4 divided by 2 into 13 square bracket simple bracket complete, square bracket complete, and the curly bracket also complete. So 2 into curly bracket inside 25 into 113 minus 9 plus 4 divided by 2 into 13. That example we will solve now. Okay, now so here I will write the example. 2 into square curly bracket 25 into 1 minute. So this is the example. Which is the example? 2 into 25 into square bracket. This bracket is called as square bracket 113 minus 9 plus 4 divided by 2 into 13. Square bracket, round bracket complete, square bracket complete, and the curly bracket. Now we will solve the example. According to rule, first we have to solve the bracket. So 2 into this one right here as it is. Now if here more than 2 brackets, so many brackets are there, so we have to solve at first round bracket. So where is the round bracket? 25 into square bracket inside, here round bracket is there. Okay, first round bracket, then square bracket, and then curly bracket we have to solve. This also rule you have to keep in your mind. Okay, so what is the subtraction of 113 minus 9? Its answer is 104. Okay, so this bracket we solve first. Here it is, square bracket is there. This once bracket solved, it's not necessary to give the bracket again. Okay, so what we had done it here, into square bracket, this bracket we solve, its answer is 104, plus now this 4 divided by 2, its answer is 2. 2 into 13. Okay, and then round bracket complete, square bracket complete, and then give the curly bracket. Now again bracket only we have to solve. Here also Bodomas rule you have to follow. So here 25 into square bracket inside 104 plus 13 2s are 26. Now if you see here, we have completed the round brackets finished, and curly and the square bracket remain now. Now here the next step is the 2 into curly bracket inside 25. What is the addition of this is the 130 into 130. 120 plus 4, 6 plus 4 is equal to this. So 230 into 25. So 230 into 25 is equals 25 is equals to 2 into, if you do the multiplication of this, you will get 25 0 0, 25 3s are 75, 5 is here, 7 carry, 25 2s are 50, and 50 plus 7 5 1 0 0. So here it is 30, 25 ones are 25, and 25 plus 25 ones are 25, 25 plus 7 is equal to 32, and multiplication of this is equal to 2 into 0 0, 2 5s are 10, 1 carry, 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5, and 2 3s are 6. And this is the answer. What? 6500 is the answer. So here first we solve the round bracket, then you have to solve the square bracket, and then you have to solve the curly bracket. In this way solve the examples. Okay, now the last example from this is the, we have to do this fractions example. So 3 upon 4 minus 5 upon 7 into 1 upon 3. Okay, we know that some rules we have to follow. So first of all, what we have to do? Multiplication. So here multiplication is the, see here, I will solve and show you. 3 upon 4. Wait, I will write down. 3 upon 4, 5 by 7, 1 upon 3. So I will solve here. 3 upon 4 minus 5 upon 7 into 1 upon 3. Okay, so here 3 upon 4 minus 5 ones are 5, 7 3s are 21. Okay, and then 21 and 24, these are odd and even numbers. So when we have to make the denominator same for this, 3 upon 4 we have to multiply here with the 21, and here also 5 into 4 divided by 21 into 4. And when you solve this, the next step of this is the 21 3s are 63 upon 84 minus 5 4s are 20 upon 84. Now the subtraction of 63 minus 20 upon denominator is same, so write it, add ones, and the subtraction of this both is the, what? 63 minus 20 is 43 upon 84. So in this way we have to solve the examples by rational, when rational numbers are there and different so many operations are there or more than one operations are there, we have to follow the steps which I shown you here. So today we have completed the solved examples from this, and here what they told you, see here the brackets may be used more than once, clearly specify the order, that is different kinds of bracket when it will come. So in this example, if you see here, there are more than one types of bracket came. So such a type of condition will come. First solve the round bracket, then square bracket, and then curly bracket. With solving the bracket, solve the innermost bracket first. Innermost bracket is the that round bracket, then square, and then the curly. So in this way, just today we have completed this. In next lecture we will see, means we have completed this. I taught you the Bodomas rule also. So today we have finished the operations on rational number, and the next lesson is the indices that we will start in next lecture. So today's your homework is the practice set number 25 also you have to solve, and solved examples also you have to solve. So today we will stop here only. Okay, thank you and have a good day.